Fucking god! It's the box. Oh, there you go. Bizon banana. Cool. Nice. Playing like a god. Oh. Oh. Nice!
I love you, bro. Well played. They smoke mid again, I can't see.
Anti-boiler one.
Throwing fire.
Nice.
Bomb has been planted.
Oh!
Nice.
You fucking legend. What the fuck was that?
Grenade out.
Oh, what are you doing, man?
Grenade out.
Can flash boiler for you?
Deploying flashbang.
Blind.
There's a guy boiler.
Go.
Middle? He's in house.
Time. Nice.
The world is ours. I'm throwing a grenade.
Shit.
Where's last?
I don't know. Bomb is short, no?
No!
Three more.
Last one?
Throwing grenade.
Yeah, so maybe going. I'm 4 HP. Shit! What? Okay, maybe.
One bay, one bay. Backside
Grenade
low.
out.
Nice.
Nice.
One more.
Roger.
Nice.
He's in there.
Yes, no.
Short, short, short.
Counter-terrorists win.
Sorry.
Let him use it.
Smoke.
Good side.
Grenade. Flashbang. Grenade.
Don't pick wait.
Still connected. Where? Where? To top mid. Up.
Flashbang. Smoke. Flashbang.
Oh,
Grenade out.
Jesus, how bad is this guy? He just walked through smoke, so you don't respect him at all.
middle, jump in window.
Smoking.
What?
You're right on. You're right on.
What are they doing?
Fuck! I'm short. Lord? You had to do that emoji, you bit. Oh,
That's
fuck.
probably what got me killed.
Oh my god. Nice.
Might be on site.
No kit.
One car. He's watching murder.
Throwing smoke.
Oh, defuse. Stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it.
Okay.
Diffusing.
Oh,
It's enough, it's enough.
holy shit.
Lovely.
We're in the clear, lads.
Beebly-doo.
Nothing big.
Deploying flashbang.
Good job.
Just on me, then
Green,
3B.
what the fuck is that bug?
Green, why you trolling?
Somebody dropped me this.
3B, guys. 3B, 3B.
Drop him M4, someone.
Oh shit.
Bomb shit.
Planting.
Fucking
Green.
PB Bizon, if somebody would have dropped me, but nobody fucking checks the money.
Green, next time you
Next time you can see the fucking money.
You don't ask for a drop, bro.
Yeah, cause I got the fucking PP Bizon.
And what? Ask for a drop.
Guys, why you lose? Hey, come on, don't scream about PB Bizon.
Yeah, I'm playing alone and I take 2 kills, bro.
Bro, unlike
Green.
Bison was
drop
not the
it.
problem on that round.
The problem is someone buy with PP Bizon.
That's not the problem. You died
shut
on A
up.
and you didn't
Shut up,
kill
shut
them.
up. I killed 2 guys, shut up.
It's not enough.
Be main site tank one.
I fled.
Nice. Last A main. B main. B main.
Nice.
What?